Do you want younger and smoother skin? Many women, and even some men, seek solutions to make their skin look youthful as the years pass by. Many are looking for natural recipes with safe and cheap ingredients to take care of their skin. If this is your case, you came to the right place. In today's video, you will learn 3 homemade face masks that are easy to make and have surprising results. Avocado mask. Avocado oil helps protect and regenerate the skin, stimulating the production of collagen. Ingredients: 1/2 avocado, 2 drops sweet almond oil. Directions and use: remove the pulp of avocado and put it in a blender or mixer. Blend until creamy. Add the almond oil and blend until smooth. Apply a fine layer of mask on your face, neck, and hands. Let it act for 20 to 30 minutes, then remove with cold or warm water. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Coconut oil and green tea mask. Coconut oil is a great help for our face skin, being rich in antioxidants like vitamin E. It also hydrates, restores vigor, and repairs the damages caused by the sun and ultraviolet rays. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 2 tablespoons honey, 1 tablespoon green tea leaves, 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Directions and use: mix all ingredients until smooth. Clean your face and apply a thick layer of this mask. Let it act for 15 minutes, then remove with warm water and dry with a clean towel. Yogurt, honey, and cucumber mask. Cucumber has a detox effect that reduces swelling and firms the skin. The lactic acid of yogurt regulates the pH levels of the skin, preventing wrinkles. Lastly, honey clears the toxins while hydrating and nourishing the skin. Ingredients: 3 cucumber slices, 1/2 plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon honey. Directions and use: peel the cucumber and blend it in a blender. Then add yogurt and honey. Mix until smooth. Apply on your face, neck, and hands. Let it act for 20 to 30 minutes. Then remove with cold or warm water. Aren't these masks super easy to do? Try them and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.